Imagine living on sewer water. This is what life is in this part of the national capital in the world's fourth largest economy. Where I'm standing right now is the Kiradi area of Delhi, and I'm standing in almost knee-deep water, and it gets only deeper and deeper as I go inside. There are people's homes here built on this very sewer water, and the stench is so bad that I can't breathe. Make no mistake, this is not rainwater. It's peak winter, and this is sewer water. Water that has come out from the toilets of these homes because there is just no proper sewerage system. These homes have no connected sewer lines, which is why water from these homes, which includes toilet water, goes into the open drains, and when those open drains overflow, they come out on these gullies, on these streets on which homes have been built. So what happened 8 months ago that led to this? Locals say that garbage and debris from the Bhalaswa landfill is being dumped on the vacant open government land right next to this colony. Earlier, this sewage water used to be stored in this vacant land. Because that land is now full of garbage, this sewage waste is overflowing onto these gullies and people's homes. Garbage has been disposed right outside, these people's homes. I look at these little kids here wearing these boots, somehow trying to make their way.
रेखा गुप्ता को दिख नहीं रहा, पैर रख के देखे ना एक बार, आए तो सही.
Who is responsible for this? So the Delhi Jal Board, which comes under the BJP government, must be held responsible. So NCD is now also under the BJP. We keep talking about the triple engine sarkar, but this is what the reality is. The Aam Aadmi Party is equally responsible too. This area has had an Aam Aadmi Party MLA for the past 10 years. People here are asking as to why the local MLA is not raising their voices. The local MLA also has MLA LAD funds which can be used for, constructing smaller drains and making sure that there is proper disposal, or at least that this issue is raised relentlessly for the people here, for the little kids, senior citizens, women and men. Life continues in this hellhole.